After turning 60, have you ever felt yourself quietly getting weaker? Stairs feel taller, the chair seems lower, and sometimes just tying your shoes leaves you out of breath. I've had hundreds of patients tell me this. Doctor, I eat well, I have eggs every morning, but I still feel weaker every year. If you felt the same, I want you to stay with me for the next 30 minutes. I'll share what has helped many of my patients not only stop losing muscle, but regain the strength to truly enjoy life again. Imagine this. You're 65 years old. You want to lift your grandchild, but your back hurts. Your legs shake. You want to do yoga, but you don't have the strength to hold yourself up. That's sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, and it quietly steals about 8% of your muscle mass every year after 60. This isn't just about appearance. Losing muscle means losing independence. Walking becomes harder. Your risk of falling rises, and even your risk of hospitalization or death increases. One of my 69-year-old patients, Michael, couldn't even sit up by himself after a bout of flu. He ate eggs every morning, yet he was still weak. I changed just one thing in his diet. I had him eat cottage cheese, rich in casein, 3 times a day. Why cottage cheese? Because egg protein is absorbed too quickly. Amino acids spike for just 2 hours and then drop. For young people, that may be enough, but older bodies need a steady flow of nutrients over many hours to rebuild muscle. Casein in cottage cheese works like a drip system, feeding your muscles slowly for 6 to 8 hours straight. After 3 months, Michael could not only sit up by himself, but he was walking 2 miles every morning. He said, "I feel like I'm 10 years younger." Studies from Canada, Japan, and Europe have compared older adults who ate eggs versus casein. The results were remarkable. The casein group gained 20 to 30 times more muscle in just 8 weeks, improved grip strength, and reduced chronic inflammation. Here's the key. When you combine cottage cheese with antioxidants, blueberries, walnuts, turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper, the effect is even stronger. These reduce inflammation and help your body use protein more efficiently. So what should you do? I usually tell my patients, have a serving of cottage cheese in the morning, a small portion after light exercise, and another serving about 2 hours before bed. Choose one with at least 14 grams of protein per 100 grams, low sodium, no artificial additives, and drink enough water, about 10 ounces for every 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, of cottage cheese, to help your body process it. And remember, don't just sit and wait for miracles. I start my patients with a simple exercise. Stand up and sit down from a chair 10 times, twice a day. Your muscles will actually use the protein you just ate to repair themselves. Here's something many people overlook: sleep. Most of your muscle building happens while you're in deep sleep. If you sleep just 5 hours, your body misses that crucial repair window. That's why 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night is free muscle medicine. And I want you to think about your mood. Chronic stress and loneliness can trigger inflammation that eats away at muscle. One of my 72-year-old patients improved simply by joining a community dance class. She moved, she laughed. 4 months later, she ditched her cane and was walking 3 miles every morning. What I've learned after 35 years of practice is this: health doesn't come from a magic pill. It comes from small habits: eating wisely, sleeping enough, keeping your spirit bright. Cottage cheese isn't magic, but it's a powerful tool if you use it correctly. I want you to remember this. The goal isn't just to live longer, but to live well, strong, and independent, so you can do what you love, hold the hands of those you love, and enjoy the years ahead. If what I shared today gave you hope and motivation, share this video with friends and family, especially those who are quietly getting weaker and don't know why. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because I'll keep sharing simple, science-backed, practical strategies so you can not only fight aging, but enjoy every single moment of your golden years. I'm Dr. Mark, and I'll see you in the next video.